Here's my red shifters with the 12 amp Betafpv all-in-one board. I'll plug it in.
Telemetry recovered.
See, and I keep getting the beeping. I don't understand why it won't go away. Everything works on Betaflight.